testing out the Matek F405 tweaks that I've made on the Ranger 2000. I'm going to test that all my settings are right, that the RSSI is showing up, auto servo trim, auto tune, and turning the radio off, and the flaps. I haven't actually worked out the full crow braking just yet, but I've got the flaps on the slider just plugged directly into the receiver, channel 8 PWM. Just see how it flies to start off with. We're in air mode. Okay, ready to go. Perfect day for it. It's nice and calm. It's flying nicely in air mode. Angle mode, manual mode now. Gee, that's manual mode now, sorry. It's not too bad actually, that that amount of expo that I've got in there. I think it's still 0.7.
Return to launch.
Return to launch, see how that goes. Should circle around above me. There it is, that's doing nicely. Perfect.
Manual mode. Altitude hold.
Altitude hold.
Loiter.
Loiter mode should circle around that point there. And it's doing that. Yep, that's good.
(49 dB). Angle mode.
It's angle mode now, which should be sort of very stabilised.
49 dB.
dB is a bit low. But that is flying level and stable, that's good.
Horizon mode.
Horizon mode gives us a little bit more control.
Manual mode.
Put it into manual mode and bring it into land using the flaps. It's going to balloon up a bit under flaps, but I can just push forward on the elevator a bit. There's full flaps. That's nice. Nice slow landing. That's beautiful. Excellent. So flaps are working. All right, now I'm going to do the dreaded turn off the radio. I will just try it up in the air. It's going to be difficult to work it out on land.
Throttle active.
Let's just do it. Get up nice and high.
Manual mode.
Get a bit of height. So I've got plenty of time to react. Even higher. All right, here we go. Radio is off. That's in return to home mode. Went down to 50 and is circling around. Oh. Cool. Oh, that's excellent. All right.
Throttle moving. Throttle active. Manual mode.
And I've got control again. You have to wiggle the sticks to get control after a fail safe, but that's good. Excellent. Okay, time for some FPV now.
Throttle active.
All right, so let's get my goggles set. That's looking good. Altitude 35, 40, distance 200. And the direction graph is working there nicely. I'm in air mode.
49 dB. 49 dB.
That's interesting. Wonder if that RSSI reading is actually true. Giving a different one from the radio that I'm getting on the screen. Voltage 14.7, that's okay. It's under load. Throttle percentage is 55 amps, isn't that lovely? Got the rising or sinking graph on the left hand side of the middle there, that's nice. Only using 4 amps.
dB.
It's saying I've got 98 RSSI, but the radio's telling me 49 dB. That's a bit of a odd one. Anyway, returning to home nicely. Alright, I'll trek out up the field again. I'll do a altitude hold and just
Altitude hold.
fly it that way. Let's do a return to launch.
48 dB. 38 dB. RSSI critical.
Oh look, RSSI has gone down
20
to
dB.
1. Failsafe, return to home. That's working.
RSSI critical. 36 dB.
But it's flying home. Oh, that's interesting. That's good. Must be a lot of radio noise around at the moment. Battery's probably getting a bit low, so I might bring it home. Nice. Flaps work well. Excellent. I did work out how to get the crow working eventually, so it's all on the slider here. The flaps are on PWM channel 8 coming straight from the receiver. The flaperons or spoilerons, because the ailerons are going up, working through iNav, also on the slider via channel 16 S bus. So flaps go down and ailerons come up a little bit too. iNav 2 has just been released, and that it may be possible to do all of this through the iNav configurator and the board, not having to use the PWM straight to the receiver for the flaps, but this is working okay for the moment. And I'll show you on the display page. Where are we? There we go. So channel 8 is the PWM flaps. Channel 16 is the flaperons or spoilerons going through iNav.